Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? Got a cup of tea here. Rained a lot last night, but that's okay. It's not raining now. I think I've got around about 3.5, 4 hours before another band of rain comes in. Now, let me run you through what I'm going to try and get done this morning. Today isn't going to be lost if it does start raining early. Just go home, edit a video. Yesterday was a good day. I got quite a lot of the 3x2 on. I've got 2 either side of that window, 1 there and 1 here, wherever you can see the brackets, the tall ones, and then I've got the small pieces that will infill through there. Then that is ready for the 56mm insulation, and once all that is installed, then we can finally finish with the sandwich panels. All right, pal?
Yeah, fine.
Right, get back to work.
Yeah. Keep going.
I'll put this with the others.
Yeah. Don't worry if it falls to pieces. It's, you know, we knew it needs rebuilding. It's already collapsed a bit and it's all just been gently put up there, so it's very, very loose. It's very unstable, and so it's not too much of a problem. Basically, if it all collapses.
As long as I don't pull it down when somebody's passing.
Well, as long as you don't pull it down on top of you. That would be handy. I would quite like it if you stay intact. Mind yourself a second, love. Yeah, I'm not, you know, I would take this sort of temperature most of the year, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, true. It is true.
I'm going to give you a hand with that.
All right, got it.
Yeah, but that's a nice project for me to do, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You get a lot of this sorted for you.
Yeah.
And she won't get worried about it.
Yeah.
Very, very, very handy. I think this ivy's holding a lot of this wall in, you know.
Yep.
True.
Right, okay. I will return with some scaffold boards. Roses. There's the roses. Let's go on down. They should bounce back up again, maybe. Okay.
Banging that board in, but it's like a rifle shot.
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?
It is. It really, really is. Right. I need to capture Mum because she's going so fast. It's ridiculous. So if you want to go up to here then.
Come on, love.
I haven't spoken to you a lot today. Didn't do an intro. So, let's see what we've been up to. So Merlin has put the layer of 56mm insulation in here. So our build up is 30 and 30 and the 56, and then our insulated panels are going to go along through there. If I run that through there, you should see that we have a very, very straight and plumb surface in which to put our insulated panels, and that is a good thing. That's a very good thing. Let me take you up to the terrace and see what Mum and Dad have been up to. So they have been cleaning all the ivy off of this wall. Quite the transformation, isn't it? So there used to be a building here. We can just about see it in one of the photos that we have. It's taken up from that vantage point up there somewhere, looking down. You can just about see the roof on there. And so you can see there used to be a doorway here. This is all collapsing. This is why Mum and Dad are here, to help us basically shore up and fix this wall, because it is in a right old pickle. We've left all of the ivy here, which has been essentially holding all of this together. And yeah, now that we've taken the ivy off, you can see the state of it. So the plan is we are going to rebuild the corner here. Then this corner, this is in a good state. So you can see the cornerstone down here. We are going to put a set of gates in here, which will give us access to the terrace and the garden. So that'll be nice and easy. So we can, you know, bring things up here, large items, and not have to bring them up the stairs. So they can be brought up by trailer on the car. And here we're not quite decided yet. You can see there's a vertical joint running up here. Then we've got a stone to put in here. What I do have is the fan light, which is like the window on top of the door frame. I don't know if you guys remembered, but it was mismeasured. I mismeasured it. A new one's being made in Poland as we speak. We're going to cut the top off. We're going to cut that one away. What we're thinking of doing, putting a lintel across the top here, building this up, and just basically putting a window in there. It won't be openable or anything like that. It'll just basically use up the window, which, you know, I can't really think of anything else that we would use it for. I think it might be nice for people that walk by, so there'll just be like a nice little window in there, something like that. That means there'll be a beautiful view of all of the woods, and they might be able to spy all the things growing in the garden. So that'd be kind of neat. Yeah. What would you guys do with something like this? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, enough chat from me. I hope you've had a good one. Like and subscribe. Oh, and hype if you could. That would really help us out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.